Good morning. This is Lucy at her tidy feeder that I bought from Dr. Foster's and Smith through their catalog. It's great. I have one in this cage and one in her bedroom cage. At first I only bought one to see how it would work out, but she likes it, I like it. She sits on top of it at night and looks at me in my chair while I'm watching TV. And that little thing right there that I'm zeroing in on, yellows and blues and all that, she likes that to play with, so those are really handy. And she loves her apple. I put a piece of apple on a kebab every day. She also likes kiwi. And I also give her pellets, small pellets, very small, from Supreme. Those are in her cage all the time. She loves her mirror. And this thing here, I always have this in a spot for her, that thing you can chew on. It's like a swing. She's eaten half of it. They come straight or in a swing. Either one is great. She's always chewing, so she has to have something to chew. And that's terrific. I have the swing in this cage, and I have the straight one in the other cage. It satisfies her chewing need. And, what's the matter, Lucy? Huh? What's up? What are you doing? What are you doing, huh? She's funny. She woke me up. She doesn't wake me up in the morning. She's very quiet. Very quiet. She doesn't insist on getting the food she wants. I hear some other birds do that, but she doesn't. She takes what I give her. She doesn't make a squawk to get it. She'll eat what she has, as long as she likes it. Right, Lucy? There was a racket going on across the street with some kind of truck out there doing some work, and so she was making a racket. But it wasn't real early. I just slept a little later. So she's just so darn good. Oh, yes you are. She likes to climb all over the inside of her cage. I've been starting to leave the door open for her, with some newspapers around the bottom of the cage, and her wings are clipped, so she can come in or go out. But a word of caution. I was at the computer and I went into the other room to the printer. When I came back, good thing I was looking down, because she tried to follow me even though she can't fly right now for the summer. And she was on the floor walking to me. So I am not sure about how I like this idea, because it's easy to forget, that she might be on the floor. I thought I'd give her some more freedom. I may do it only when I'm paying strict attention to her. Say if I'm sitting here watching TV, then as she comes out, I have my eye on her, but I don't think I'll do it anymore when I'm at the computer or doing anything else. There she goes with her popcorn ring. her other little thing. Okay, this video is long enough. Bye-bye.